Hey, my friends, I'm glad you guys can tune in today to watch this final reassembly of my car, a 2019 Subaru WRX that was totaled. In this video, you will see a montage of the reassembly. We reconnect all the wiring for the seats as well as the seat belts, reinstall all of the trim panels, the headlights, the hood scoop, and you will see the final product, and let me tell you, it came out beautifully. Well, my friends, that is it. It looks like she is all complete, nice and polished up and finished. Everything lines up beautifully. I'm very happy with how this car came out. To me, it looks better than when it came out from the Subaru dealership, brand new. I really have to give a huge thank you to all the guys that helped with the rebuild on this, as far as the paint and body work and welding in the rad support and the frame rail. Sal, Cruz, Jeffrey, and Ahmed, they were great guys. They let me film a little bit and work alongside them at some times. I wish I could have got more footage for you guys. I just couldn't be there all day to see them rebuild the car, and they had a schedule to keep. It came out beautiful, and it's running so good. So I cannot wait to get this thing on the road. But I have to go through a process, a lot of paperwork, and a state inspection by the DMV to make sure that this car is roadworthy. So that will take some time, but I can't wait to get it on a first drive, and I will take you guys along with me on that first drive. And I may even have another project in the works. Stay tuned to find out. I think all of this hard work deserves a toolbox delight. Let's go see what the toolbox provides. Oh, Pop-Tarts. I love Pop-Tarts. I will enjoy that later. Oh, and before I go, there's one last thing that will complete this build. Let's get back to the car. Where is it? Ah, there it is. A nice brand new WRX shift knob. Let's put it in the car. That looks beautiful right there. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you following along on this build. If you want to see future builds, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Oh guys, and let's not forget how we started this build. Remember, for you guys who watched the early videos, the sticker that I found early on inside this car from the previous owner, I left it here as a reminder until the build is complete, but I think I'll keep it a little while longer.